It was the year 1973 when Martin Cooper invented the first mobile phone called the Brick. But how did a smartphone come along? It was in 2007 when the smartphones really seized the public imaginations, and boy have they seized it. 6 years ago, smartphone sales were a meager 10%. That means only 10% of the cell phone buyers were smart. In 2010, smartphones comprised 50% of the total cell phone sales, in which 97% of the smartphone owners just wanted to play Angry Birds. In 2011, Android data usage surpasses that of an iPhone. 2-minute silence for all the iPhone users. In 2012, the sale of smartphones hits 207 million. Your smartphone actually costs more than your salary. In 2013, Max Mobiles comes to the rescue. Max Mobile introduces dual SIM touchscreen device with the latest Android operating system worth Rs 4,000 only, and you get a rupee back. We at Max wanted to establish our Gen X Droid in the mind of our consumers. So how do we do it? We left it to the Bluebird. So what did we need? A smart hashtag, 235 followers, and Max Mobile's Gen X Droid for giveaway. We asked our followers to tell us their one smart move to win a cool new Gen X Droid smartphone. Tweets kept flowing, and we started trending in 17 cities within an hour with a downpour of tweets. We started trending worldwide. One smart move we made, we promoted our Gen X Droid TVC along with the contest. And here's the proof of our success. And this is how we at Max use social to launch our new smartphone, the Gen X Droid.